Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Excel. First of all, open Microsoft 365 and access your Excel sheets. Now open a spreadsheet with some data inside it. Before continuing, keep in mind that Copilot is not available for every user. It is usually available if you are using school, college or work account that has a Copilot access enabled. If Copilot is available in your account, you will see the Copilot option in the toolbar. Click on it to open the AI assistant. Now, you can ask AI questions about a spreadsheet. Copilot will automatically generate insights, summaries, and suggestions based on your data. And that's it. That's how to use Microsoft Copilot in Excel. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.